Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, we're starting a new project today. What is it? Without further ado, let's see. It's a doozy. Last registered 1983 in Connecticut. What do we have here? What do we have here? All right, there we go. Okay, so that's a 1964 Norton Atlas. I use a simple green and a brush, so it's time now for the trusty old pressure washer. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, what the All right, let's go on the other side. Let's go on the other side here. Let's see what happens there, huh? Well, she's looking better already. All right, so let's see. There we go. She's looking better already. All cleaned up. Now I can work. Hi guys. All right, let's do a workaround now. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm looking for a wheel, but probably I won't find what I want, what I need, because this is bad. So I want to have a shouldered aluminum rim. I'm gonna try, maybe I've saved those and reuse them, or I get a set of new spokes. Of course, I'm gonna clean that hub. Looks like it was painted here. Unless you have a wheel for sale, let me know. But it's a 19 in the front, 18 W3 in the back. All right, so that's gonna go. I'm gonna clean that up and probably sell it. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I might have a BSA front fender that I might put on. I don't know yet. There's also the Cafe Racer Production Racer Commando front fender that I do like, so I might do that. That's going because I'm gonna put clip-ons here, the bucket here. The bucket, I'm probably gonna keep it, maybe repaint it, get a headlight, or replace it with a complete chrome bucket maybe. Looks like it was repainted here, I don't know. Okay, this, I put that because when I was washing the bike. So this bike actually have a 5,355 miles. So that's pretty good. I have another speedometer for the glass. So I'm gonna use only the glass. This obviously is gonna go. I'm gonna put clip-ons. I might put gaiters here, I don't know yet. The frame, I don't know if I keep it black. It needs to be painted. So what I might do is remove everything and repaint the frame. I think the frame was painted. That's the serial number, and it's matching numbers, by the way. So that's pretty cool. I don't know about the heads, but the engine is stuck. The engine is completely stuck. We put 2 months ago, it was some fluid in there. On one cylinder, the right cylinder, it's gone, so it went through. But on the left cylinder, it's still there. So it's completely stuck, and it's not going through the rings. So the rings like probably are welded to the freaking cylinder. The Yamahas, they will be rebuilt. That's the 930. The control will be in the rear. The exhaust, actually, I just received the exhaust. The exhaust will be a swept back racing exhaust with shorties in the back. So I will have to put that on in order to see where I'm gonna put my controls. So this is going back. I'm gonna cut this probably and weld the a shorter brake pedal. The wheel in the back is gonna be the same thing than the front. So this actually this wheel doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna remove the rim, clean it up, and probably sell it. So let me know in a comment if ever you're interested. I'm gonna change the shocks, the chain. Actually, the chain looks good, and the brackets. The bracket look good too. So that's pretty cool. We got the Mickey Mouse kind of stuff here. That's gonna be fixed, obviously. This is working. Well, it's working. We have to see how it is working inside if the juice is coming in. I have the tool tray still here, so that's good to have. The tank is actually, I have a Cafe Racer tank which I swapped with a friend of mine, and so I gave him my Atlas tank and he gave me a fiberglass Cafe Racer tank, which actually is leaking, so I have to fix. This is gonna go also. I'm gonna clean it and probably sell it. This, I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. It's kind of big, but we'll see. That I'm gonna remove the plate here. This side is pretty good. I think I'm keeping that. If I'm not keeping that, then I might put a different oil tank in there. Here, that's gonna be for the shorties. So same thing here. It's gonna go here with the shorties here. This probably is gonna be reversed. I have to see where my exhaust is. So my exhaust cannot go with this anyway, so that's gonna be reversed, or I'm gonna use a set of rear control for this bike. So I don't know yet. The rear control with this bike is gonna keep the pattern first up and the rest down. If I reverse it like I did on my Commando, then I have first down and the rest up, which with all the motorcycles I own, that less confusing, so I might do that. So again, we'll see what's gonna happen here. The Magneto is a Joe Hunt. It's very old, so I don't know. I have to see if it's still magnetized, if it gives me an ignition or not. But what I'm gonna do probably is replace that as a kit to replace the Magneto with an electronic ignition. So I might do that because I want to use that bike and I want that bike reliable, so I don't want to get stuck with that. Here I got this is the tack. That's the diode. So the diode has to go somewhere around here, and then the horn. The horn, we don't know yet, but that's easy to fix anyway. So there we go. That's the project right there. 64 Atlas becoming a Cafe Racer.